wet in wet technique with alcohol ink and epoxy resin, and the glow lamp giving beautiful textures in it. You see for yourself the amazing art form and the beautiful textures it creates. Friends, we are there as Fehmisart on Facebook and Instagram. Do follow us there, and please subscribe my channel Fehmisart on YouTube for some regular updates, tips and tricks and techniques for the beautiful art forms. We take in-house classes for different art forms like thread paintings, impastos, acrylic paintings, alcohol ink paintings. So please contact us. My contact details are there in the description box. Do like, subscribe and share Fehmi's art.